Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to go over how to replace your pull cable for a Garmin Force Trolling Motor. Unfortunately, I snapped mine in a tournament the other day. Luckily, I ordered one from the Bass Tank. They got it to me quick. Not sponsored by them or anything, but they're a great company. If you have any questions electronic wise or even fishing wise, I would highly recommend them. Let's get into the install though and talk about what you need. Alright guys, so all you're going to need tools wise is a Phillips head screwdriver like this one. It doesn't have to be as fancy, but this is all I had laying around, so this is what I'm using. What you're going to do is you're going to take these two screws out of the handle, one on each side. These dudes are a little bitty. Do not lose these. I would recommend putting them inside the screw holes once you are done taking the handle apart, just so you don't lose those guys. You're going to see some hardware inside the handle when you open it up. This right here is the anchor for the cable. Take that thing out. You can see right there where it actually snapped off, and then there's just a washer and a pin that holds it all together. So now let's actually take the old cable out of the trolling motor. So next step, what you want to do is get your trolling motor in this kind of 45-degree angled spot. That puts this pin right here, right in the center. Kind of just grab it like so. Well, I lied. You might need another tool just to grab this right here. Makes it a lot easier. Just grab that pin like that right there. Set this pin to the side, and then raise your trolling motor up just a bit. Pull the wire out till it's right there, and then you cannot pull it. Do not try to pull it out this front side. You have to pull it back out through here. It will not fit. Keep it in that same position, just like so. This time, you gotta run the anchor to the cable for the handle, through this hole right here. And what you wanna do is get right through that little gap right there, and then work it right back out the hole where it came out of. Right there. Pull it all the way out until you're back to here. Now what you want to do is get your trolling motor back in that 45-degree angle, line the other end of the anchor up, grab your pin, push it right back down in that hole, make sure it's locked in there, good and tight right there. It's locked in right there. So now we can let that trolling motor down. And now we're going to come here to the handle. I'm going to take my broken anchor off, put my anchor through just like so, put my washer on just like that, and you can see how this slot on this side is bigger than this one. That's where this rounded end of the pin's going to go. Slide that into the hole right there, and lay it flat flush like that. Put your handle back together. All right, we're good to go in our new cable, just like that. Works like new. And another thing I want to show y'all before y'all go is I've only had this trolling motor for about 2 years now, and down there where it was rubbing on the inside of this bushing right here, on the inside of this bushing right there where this one's coming out, you can see how the cable was about to snap right there. All the cable's all frayed and the rubber's all off of it. I would check that, and then mine broke right at the handle. So I'd make sure to check your cable on your Garmin Force Trolling Motor so you don't get in a situation like I did and I had to wrap this cable around my hand like that. I'm telling you, dude, that hurt. It's so much nicer having an actual handle.